Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Kowalski, and I'm creating this video of an art project that you might be interested in doing. If you don't recognize me, I am going to share this video with my other art teachers, some friends of mine, so they will probably share this with you as well. What we thought it would be fun to do is if we went around the house and looked for different things we could find to create a hat. You can create any kind of hat you want. The reason we got this idea is I was in a meeting the other day. All the shared time teachers meet every week online. And Mrs. Carroll, those of you that know Mrs. Carroll, she showed up at the meeting with a really funny hat on that she wore. And so then other people started getting hats on and putting them on the meeting. After that, the art teachers got together and we decided we would create a hat secretly, and then we're all going to wear our hats next week to the meeting. And then we said we should have our students make hats. So our challenge for the week or project for this week is for you to find things in your house that you can make a hat. So you can make a paper hat. And I just went to my recycling bin and some other things that I've saved. But just if you had paper, you could cut up paper, draw on it, make a hat band, anything that you could think of. I'm not going to give you any examples because I don't want to put ideas in your head. I want you to be creative. But you could think of different animals that you might want to be, or some kind of space creature, or just something that you discover. I was also thinking, I save cereal boxes all the time, that I might cut a strip from the cereal box and then I could put it around my head like a band and then glue stuff on it as well. Another interesting thing is an empty milk or water. This had water in it, and if it had milk in it, you're going to want to wash it. But I could cut this off and figure out how to put it on my head. So I think I'm actually going to use this for part of my hat. I have some other containers, and I always you want to make sure that you wash them, but you can even run them through the dishwasher. Some tin cans. I have my tin cans over there. I can't reach them right now. And this is something I've been saving these. I don't really know why. I've just been saving lids off of water bottles. And so I'm going to do something with these on my hat. So the first thing you're going to do is go around your house and find things that you could put on your hat. You can paint it, you can color it, whatever you want to do and design it. Maybe you should sketch out your idea before you get started. And then create your hat and take a picture of it and send it in to your teacher. We would love to see it. The other thing I'm going to have the other teachers do, and they don't know this yet, is we're going to wear a hat. Well, they do know this. We're wearing our hats to our big meeting next week to see the reaction we get from the other teachers. But I'm going to have the art teachers all take a picture of themselves wearing their new hats that they designed, and we will share them with you next week. So hopefully you're up to the challenge, and we hope you have fun designing and creating a new hat.